If you think that I'm almost dead and I'm not going to be alive anymore, still a very tough guy. At 71, I take no bullshit. Why are all these guys that changed the world got one thing in common? They're tough as nails, ruthless, take no prisoners. Notorious workaholic Elon Musk is so tied to his office that he's been known to sleep on the floor.
Do something bold.
I slept on the floor. Ford slept on the floor. Jobs slept on the floor. Gates slept on the floor. Mr. Carnegie was a hard bastard. Vanderbilt was a hard bastard. Henry Ford I was a hard bastard. Rockefeller was a hard bastard. Steve Jobs was a ruthless hard bastard. I decided to do it, even though it was stupid, I decided to do it. Stupid meaning follow the process. I still work 50, 60 hours a week, and I haven't had to work in 35 years. What are you going to tell your children? What are you going to tell your grandchildren? 20 years from now, Daddy, Grandpa, what were you doing during the greatest transformation of wealth in the history of the planet? What are you going to tell them? If you had to keep track of 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, what you do, you would be shocked, astounded, overwhelmed, or as they say in Britain, gobsmacked, how much time you waste. When you figure out that every hour you sleep you're not making money, you'll never sleep again. It's unbelievable, but again, you are who you hang around with. Is that you want people with a like mind that are better than you, smarter than you, more intelligent than you to get on your butt. There's nothing the joint brain, collective brain, the brain can't overcome. You cannot do, a lot of transactions without hurting feelings. As soon as we got tougher, as soon as we got less PC, as soon as we got that we didn't care what they said or thought about us, we got more successful. You have to try. You have to swing at the plate. This young kid that came to me a year and a half ago, his goal, his dream in his life was to finish #1 university champion archer. So we set up a program. He was firing 600-700 arrows a day. That's him receiving the first place a couple months ago. Most of you in this room have never been held accountable for anything in your life. And look at the result. You will not believe that it's easy. This is what I'm training you to be like. The 4 horsemen of the apocalypse. Warriors, not whiners. From one tough guy to another tough guy. Don't be afraid, don't be scared. I'm not dead and I'm plenty alive and I don't give a what anybody says about me. I'm the $50 billion man and this is my lair.